This question is about something that we refer to as the zero product rule. To explain it, let's show you another thing that we call the quadratic sequence. Now, the quadratic sequence is just the common order of steps that you do when you're factoring a quadratic situation. So let's say we had x squared minus 2x minus 35, and we have to find the x-intercepts. By the way, the x-intercepts means that y equals 0, so you set y equal to 0. Then you factor by looking for two numbers that add to -2, multiply to -35. That's x minus 7, x plus 5. So now we've factored, and then we use the zero product rule, which basically says that if two numbers multiply to 0, that means that you can set each one individually equal to 0. So we do x minus 7 equals 0, x plus 5 equals 0, and you get your two answers. Now, in the parentheses stage, they're called factors, but at the bottom, when they're set equal to just x, those are called roots, x-intercepts, solutions, and zeros. And so in a lot of situations, most people who haven't prepared a lot for an SAT yet are going to want to FOIL this out and get a big, ugly, nasty number. But if you remember the zero product rule, you can just set each individual piece equal to 0. So we can just set each piece equal to 0, x plus 2 equals 0, x minus 5 equals 0, and x plus 9 equals 0, and solve each equation. Here we'd take away 2 from both sides and get -2. Here we'd add 5 to both sides and get 5. And here we'd take away 9 from both sides and get -9. So which of these is a positive solution? This one right here, x equals 5. And so our answer is C.